Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors, ka Jaka Dekali ka Batamai jong ka Tata Motors, Halat ko ni Shillong, ringkat ba ka Net Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jongpi.
Ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong, ka long ka school ban poi hakakardan ka baningkong haka top 10, jong ka result High Secondary School Living Certificate, haka Commerce Stream, kat baka Laban Bengalee Boys High Secondary School Shillong, ka long ka school ban yok Knieh ya kakardan ka baningkong haka top 10, jong ka result High Secondary School Living Certificate, haka Science Stream. Ya kini result lapan benar ka Bengalee Board of School Education ha ka step jong ka skipalai ka arpun reu jemang arjar arpuar. Kini ki arngut ki samla puli ki balayo kini ya ka kerdan ka bandingkong ha ka Commerce but Science Stream. Ki long ka samla ria karpran ka samla puli jong St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong ka balayo khur hado sau spa Andre sau marks but usamla Ganesh Roy Bhomik upa puli Laban Bengalee Boys High Secondary School Shillong. Kiway pat kisamla puli kiblayo rong hakat hop top 10. Jong ka Science Stream kilong urishi sarkar na Laban Bengalee Boys High Secondary School Shillong ka chetna bos na Don Bosco College High Secondary Section Tura Unaza Riolan Syndrome bat kabala rihon karluki na Ram Krishna Mission High Secondary School Soara u Demon Shanlang B. Chulet, bat umewa Ksandor Omban na St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong, ka Pipa Janai Kardewsau na Risa High Secondary School Shillong, bat Uriki Bul Hazarika na JN High Secondary School Pulbari. Kat bagi samla puli gibre rong hakat hop top 10 jong ka Commerce Stream kilong ka Emerine Karpran na St. Edmunds High Secondary School Shillong bat Ukeshef Agarwal na Don Bosco College High Secondary Section Tura. Kiblayo ya ka kerdan ka baar Uchirak Deb na Laban Bengalee Boys High Secondary School Shillong ublayo ya ka kerdan ka balay. Kalam Zomlin Gangte na St. Anthony's High Secondary School ban Kashradha Datta na St. Edmunds High Secondary School Shillong kiblayo ay kakardan kabasaw. Ka Supriya Das na St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong kabalayo ay kakardan kabasan. Ka Tulsi De na St. Margaret's High Secondary School Shillong kabalayo ay kakardan kabahinreo. Ka Ibadashisha Jana na St. Mary's High Secondary School Shillong kabalayo ay kerdan kabahnyo. Ka Sneha Bhattacharjee na St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong kabalayo ay kerdan kabapra. Ubalajiet Kinsai Biam na 7 Set Annex High Secondary School Shillong ubalayo ay kerdan kabakhanday. Kat balay ngot kiwaypat kiblayo rong haka kerdan kabasipho kilong u Angkush Debnat bat ka Ilyona Banyada Nongrum na St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong lem bat ka Ankita Paul na St. Mary's High Secondary School Shillong.
Mana bahaya? One. So, did you take video?
Yeah.
So, congrats. Well done. Good job. Thank you to the parents.
Aku boleh saya belai, obviously mahu itu hi ngayon kat ba minta ni first position. Secondly aku boleh email ba ilong inspiration yang ngap ni abha ide bat baba jongaru itu inspire man ko poreng aban ni abha influence ngap ba pulih abha ai ketuka pressure ketuka inspiration ba pide ban ni abha. Thirdly teachers hi principal kita hard work itu hi ngap cakman. Teachers man kepada pan help, I help, Kim Juong raba mentam nampor, mak nampor ngapan help I like first banget thank you teachers lo, and kat tadi di hard work but determination banget kuat banyak. Sampai pandemic ini jinjari, mar 2-3 months in classes tang, ada class 11 ini lepas pandemic, so obviously jinjar pada Katui gade ba teachers ki help hai ni perpulih dengan audio video notes ki provide baro kuntu ni la ban ne chakma da clear ki batai lo obviously tang kaditang utu bang ha ben pulih ba kem di ben stop ni long di ben aja tang consistency kuntu da pulih ta dia minta dengan first orang di college become kuntu future plan ni ban apa ben long charter accountant Ingkong ben ango you blame mo la ai ka met bakot kya yang for Bengalee exams mangla pendaplut tadi ki may pa ibla encourage nga man la for ki inspiration yang bangan kulikot the thirdly the kinai kai for the principal ki what happening kan pandemic group ki send videos ki send notes malang si dang adon doubt say Hsslc ru dengan teks ki menjuk dilim ki yarap bet ki ai batai limba ka teks na meeting ki ai voice note sa ini honestly nga kam expect ra nga ru mon point top point na 10 position te blay ru la yarap yu lo I ka jing trash tang janga
semua pun ni nomor ba am dan jik tu kira bangan yelle an yo position ru ndai temu bangan create ki entrance exam sin ki ema te na ingo ru blai nama kari ka jingla chung kamde jonga amar ba ai nga semua ban ai nga semua ingo ru ki nang kai ki mi paru injo ki la ai musim na amar ba ko ki jingge jing jaru kalau banyarap na kumjo ru ki nang kai ru te entai Kosong nama ba teng dah lepas lagi untuk ka internet connection kambiang te kisit du ki classes ru nama ni sidon ki video meet sidon ka meet Google Classroom itu te aku mereka Google Classroom ka angkum ka ki video conferencing itu te sidon ki senar ba mes itu te kala awan long ka kelas ka badang kam eru te kala long tanggo ka kelas ru kala long ba jingdu ka krama te kasong hiru ki kena awan ki keluar manatan dan ki smart pan yai atan ka online classes ru kalong kajing mentu ki
100% mau kan they ban give up wala kilas ngau ba kelas ng tight lang yung pero kan they ban give up and they have to give their 100%.
Ki ban consistent mo ki ba kile ki ban dan kata kajing ya sya mo kimdi ban ang man lihat tang mata sini la saya kilat no andai ke ban long ka jinga sya di benda
ai ngu boleh kalau kan ya ring kini kalau lockdown ya pendak ke jing kude mah ba trash system sya jing rat boleh ni ke jing disukman dei ki kairu ba trash system ada ka online class la pendak ki ko sa jing system kun ba trash system ai ko boleh dei ki noi kai ya baru ai perlu berjoy bagi kesami u bahaya masa kesana u jing duai ta kan jing job ta ka jing puli adalah di online ro pada konsentrasi play jimun system yo hi jing job pada system ai ki sutu kila kini kena kai ta ni ha perlu kam kai ka kum kapur pada ni yo balik ki kelas malam job offline yo online ro pada kita system ni iyo ikat ini, pada kita bom suntuk, kita ni nanti, iyo ikat jam tu.
Kau mai dengan si aku beli ni, nama ngas semua komen ayat kata, nama kali persagoi belat tristom belat minat, ada orang redah tu minta, hakini kita mau poin minta. Nama lagi kamtam ayat hakini kita lockdown, berarti kami one school, ni berkam long bah kang kelak kelinti. Nama hakini tristom ayat yang berk online class, nama lah pupusya, ada isu kini kita tangguh. Mungkin ni biang ni kita bantu lihat lagi yang pada lockdown ni apa pandemik memang kami sosial kau bah hari ni kita nanti belalai lockdown nama kejemput ni kami nak bahasa cara orang semua bahagian ni bahagian semi kemen dah mah.
Metagas ni dap dah kejeng kemen ke bakrau kami tam ke bangio snow but yo ya ke results jong kena science but commerce stream ke baka embos kelapan benam tax ni nak science stream ni yo langut ke bio rank holders but nak commerce stream pat ke in riungot ngim simla expect hadu kata-kata nak kini ki batch nama ba kini ki batch ki ba kila yo mat bun ke jing kham tam ke jing ta jung kelam ni wat nak kata ru nak school jungi pat ni laju ai men sim ni la ju at kentu na kawai ke por ba kan ni ka klam kan ni ka pandemic corona kam dei ban shu no pensi penting yang ni pendu jingkermen lan ni sange no ya kata ke jing kai ring la nang ya bet shikmat re kan ni jing ya shikmat pat ka jing snusi ka long ba nim sim la yo ya kata kalat ban ya one ban kendu ha classroom ban shim ki class re haking king le jong hadu kan no ni shane ki kna ba ki long serious ne kim long serious nim da tip hai kata re limba ki results ka bangi yo menta usnam pat yo I ba ki long hi ki kna ki bala trishto namana ki science ki percentage ni la cross check 91.4.41 so it's good percentage naki commerce ru ni ba hadu nyo kndai pin nyo 0.77 percentage kamut la majority la pass bagi kena nak skor jungi tengi di ban agi jing kublai ke bekerpang bakrau ya ki kena jungi ki blai trestom ya ki nongi kai kam tamme ki bla budin ya ki bat ki mi ki pag bla imen sim bat ni yang nang ya kin tu sicu ya ki kena jungi bat ki kena ru ba habadon kamon kadon bet kala lenti ladawan ke pandemic ni ladawan ke yang ya kendu ki jing stom ru re ladang ni kloi ban ya trestom ban ya le ya ki yang sejok akan guna bentah akan guna por ka batch ke bamenta usnam ke de truly batch ke bangi shim akan por pandemic ka batch ke bangi yo min jim sempat ke de P class 11 kala long kila yo ek foundation te kam don pandemic te haka class 12 ru kam de ba baro ship baro usnam no ya kini ke batch bamenta usnam pat ke de ke batch belak ta na do class 11 bat class 12 te hangta ken kata kam don kata ke jing kendu physically interactive ha classroom ki kam yo duna menta usnam kini ke batch banyak itu ki batch ki ba nila yo macam islam te menta usnam ru nyo I na ka science stream ba ka school jungi kam yo ki rang holders na do banukong teng teng ma kini kisnem beladep ni yo bar full ki science mo top 10 na sinan sinis lu amar ngong sa sisi na ka daw jong kani ke jing e bangi kendu te ha ka wi ker kom ru kalong kai kai ka ba le si ni a ya ki wi ki kena na ki wi ki school ni pen I ba kam de ta kasin antinis ke balak ban yo ya ketika rang holders ki wi ki school ru ki wi ki kena ki la ban yo te menta usnam yo I ba what happened kan ni jing eru ki wi bla shim seriously ya ka studies bla le ba ai bla testom ki la yo once come on pi te ha ka ta kom kalong jing ai men sim ru ya ki wi ba kam don ke ta ka bam la ni la ba ya bangi don kata kam mon ko bajua te naki school jungi ru pe menta usnam re kini ki bat ki yo lai langut ki rang holders ki khasi sudah mo ki don bok namar ba hakani ke pandemic bon ki kena ki bam day na ki week state mo ki bam day ha ki jat ni jungi kim sim la yo kala te ki babon ki ba yo hakani ke science le ki class ladang nyo ya ki students ha ki science stream menta usnam bon ki khasi te nak tak tahu kini khasi jungi ru ki pen I ken bangila te ngisngo yo men sim ha bang yo I ki kena jungi ki wan chakmat ba kim day tang ki week ki la ban le ni la ban le te kini ke kubori ki wei ki kena jungi ru bakin dari ban trestom bat kin job
Congratulations congratulations come congratulations bless you.
First of all, I feel very surprised because I didn't expect actually to get in the second position. I feel obviously there's a sudden happiness, what do you call it, since I didn't expect it. And I'm very grateful for everyone. All of them I cannot name now, but my teachers, my parents, I'm very grateful to them. I'm planning to do engineering. That's the reason why I joined science. So I like more of practical. I don't like theory. Who likes theory, na? I want to do practical work. That's why I plan to do engineering. When you need a determination, if you determine enough, you will work. Approx 8 to 10 daily basis. One thing I want to tell you that from the starting of session, pastoral session, I spent actually 10 or 12 days without studying. Okay. I was determined. I want to get the passion. Study. Those who are determined, you can do anything. Have confidence in yourself. I know it's every time you cannot keep hope. Sometimes you will feel low, but you have to get up. Don't let your mind control you. Get up. Make a plan. Because if you have a plan, it will eventually end up. The COVID period. It's very tough because first of all I wear specs. I cannot spend long hours watching the mobile. No? You have online class means you have to do it mobile. So it was very tough for me. So my power increased 2 times during this COVID time. So I had to we had 6 hours of class. I had to spend that. Plus I had to study internet from the internet also. I used to study anything I didn't understand in the topic. It was very tough. And plus there's a difference in understanding online and offline. That was very tough. But it has passed out. Nothing lasts forever.
To be honest, I wasn't expecting such a result for myself, but I'm glad that my hard work paid off. So I would like to thank my teachers, my friends, my parents who have supported me throughout this period. I'm really happy. I don't know how to react to this. Honestly, I didn't expect such a result. So yeah, I'm really happy that my hard work and dedication paid off. During COVID times, it was quite difficult for us as everything was through online mode. But our teachers were really helpful, and so we managed to cope up things. It was quite difficult, but still we tried to cope up and manage all things. I'm planning to pursue BCom for the timing, and I'm thinking to pursue MBA. See, firstly, I guess you need to have some strategy, or you need to make some plans regarding how you study and for how many hours you need to study. So yeah, obviously you need to hard work, and you need to. And one of the most important things is that you need to maintain some consistency in your study. That is the most important thing. So yeah, I think you must follow these things.
I'm full of excitement. I'm feeling very much blessed, very much happy. It's a feeling which I cannot describe to you all. It can only be experienced. If I speak about driving force, anything which is driven by emotions always turns out to be well. I'm very much emotionally bonded to my school, so I always wanted to do something for my school, for my institution, because this institution has made me what I am today. I was never a topper, a very average student. This institution, the hard work that the teachers have put into me, this is the result of their hard work. So I owe my success, everything, to them. Future plan, not a very concrete plan, but 10 years down the line, I see myself in a respectable position where I can do something for my society, something for my country, where I can make some change. I can bring out some change in the society. The even life always keeps on changing. Okay. When I was a kid, I always wanted to be a scientist. It's still there. Still have a knack for research and such fields. I want to become a scientist, but let's see where my destination leads me to. COVID affected batch. We had our online classes, I think, from the month of April to month of September, I guess. But here the teachers played the most important role. They helped us in every possible way that they could, be it through WhatsApp or maybe through calls or maybe through personal meetings. They have helped me and also every student in every possible way that they could. Yes, I was the 9th rank holder in Hsslc. And I am from Lower Lumparing, and the MLA here is Basanbon. So he gifted me a laptop for my success, and this was something which was out of this world for me, because getting an award from your MLA is something big, and I wanted to have this feeling again. So this was a driving force for me. This encouraged me to do well again in my HSS. Yes, I am the topper, or there have been many toppers, but I'll say that never try to copy any topper, because copying, imitating, you'll lead to nowhere. I don't feel that anyone who is copying a topper will become a topper. Be inspired rather. Be inspired, because every person, every student has his own way of preparing. He has his own strategies, own routine. It's not like that you have to get up at 6, start studying and study for 10 to 12 hours. It's not that. If you put in just 8 hours of proper serious study, I feel it's more than enough. It's more than enough. And for both, I'll say that NCRT is something which you must be very much thorough with. It's very much important because all the questions come from there.
Our result is always very good from earlier, so that's why we got our higher secondary section also. Now higher secondary results are also, you can see every year we are getting very good results, and first we got this year in higher secondary stream. So we are very much delighted for this, and together first and second we got this year. This is also a great achievement for us. And see, last 2 years we could not do normal classes.
Yeah.
And in normal class, interaction with the teacher is very important. We tried to manage it. From September, we have taken lots of effort to do with our offline classes last September. And till December this year, it is so much cold. Still teachers have taken classes during this winter vacations. Few days we had a holiday, but after 11 January we started. If it is normal, then we get space, we can do easily. This year our teachers have done very hard work because they have to prepare, then put it in the online mode, then student can understand or cannot understand, then we have to call them. We have framed group. This is a good achievement, making WhatsApp group with each class we have separate group with class teacher. So we can call them up, come this day, come that day. And they have contacted the teachers also very easily through the group. The answers also they have got. But in science you can understand what it is. Can be question answer type. Here they prepare the normal class, offline class. So as soon as government announced, we have started from 1st of September classes. From June it is very tough. We could not contact. Then we contacted them because all don't have the same whatever they have given to us, not that one with them. So that's why it is difficult for us to contact them. After that we have managed to frame online. From June onwards we have started online because we have to finish the courses, without which it is not possible. Last year, in 2020, that is 70% course. But this year government said 100%. So with the normal class, giving less holiday, we cannot finish. And on top of that, 2 months is for this lockdown. So we have started from June online class, and from September we have started our offline class. And teachers also. So this year I think we will not face so much trouble. Online classes we have kept. It is not that we have totally stopped, but offline class we are having from 10 to 3:30. Actually, one trouble we have faced because as the government has said, in 11 you have to lift everyone. So the student got upper hand, freedom, and they didn't study. For them we faced a problem. Others, no problem. Hard work is one and all. Hard work of the guardians, teachers, and the students, and also discipline in life. They must have a relaxing period. Guardians should provide it because only learning is not enough. Their brain doesn't develop. So I request all the parents give some time for their relaxation or maybe enjoyment or some food. Good food means outing. This must be given.